What's going on, guys? Enzo here. Wanted to do a little video on my new radio system. So, as you guys know, the last time that you guys pretty much heard from me, if you guys go back enough into my videos, you guys would know that I was running the Sanwa equipment. But in all honesty, I ran the Sanwa equipment for a few years, and I loved the Sanwa radio. The M12S RS was great, and even before that, for those of you that really followed the channel, knew that I had the M12S. Both radios spectacular. I've always wanted to try the KO Propo radio systems. Have always respected their stuff. I know they've been around for a long time in the industry. They've won multiple world champions, nationals. They know how to make a good radio system, and I've always wanted to try their radios. So I'm very fortunate and happy to be able to now consider myself part of KO Propo America. I was able to talk to the guys at Absolute Hobbies and Robert over from KO America and make it happen, and I'm really happy that I was able to join. So yeah, just extremely happy, and just really blown away to be able to run for such a cool company and make the switch over to KO. So I wanted to make a video on my new radio, which, as you guys can tell in the box, is the EXRR. I didn't want to do an unboxing video because, I mean, really, there's a ton of videos. There's one by RC Car Action, and he pretty much shows you what you get. So I'm going to narrow it down. And on top of that, I didn't get the regular EXRR. Absolute Hobbies still had it in stock, and they have the, let me see. You guys can see it off the side of the box here. They had the EXRR Limited with the LiPo carbon print battery stand, which is really cool. Looks awesome. They give you the LiPo bottom, so you can run a LiPo pack in here, and it has that awesome KO Propo carbon fiber carbon print on it along to match the top. So that is the full radio system as it comes, all aluminum wheel. Along with the KO Propo KIY, you can disassemble it. Latches there, latch back there. You can completely take it apart just like all the other KO radios. So that's the radio. The radio, when you do get it, does come with a Rx Selector, little Rx mode selector programmer, so you can go ahead and go into each channel and change if you want to run it in HCS mode, if you're running KO servos, or regular, normal, if you're running anything but. The radio comes with the KO Propo KR415 long antenna receiver. I went ahead and opted to buy the short antenna for 10 scale, and this is what I'll have in my 10 scale cars. But this is more or less going to be for my Nitro buggy and e-buggy. And this is from Flashpoint, and that is the Flashpoint LiPo that you guys run in the Mugen cars. And the awesome part about this bottom that KO Propo gives you is you can run a legit full-size receiver pack from a Nitro car to power the radio. So I have that in there. So it does come with the options in the box to run 4 dry cell LiPos, or not dry cell, but AAAs or AA's. But I opted for the LiPo because it's just a little bit easier. So that's pretty much the radio. It's a very simple menu. You are getting, for the money, you're getting a really simple menu. Very easy and straightforward. 3 main entries. You go to steering. You have your trim, travel, speeds, dynamics. Got all that. Same thing for the throttle. Travel, trim, speed, dynamic, feel, push, and then cycle and a few of the other options. It's a very straightforward menu. Then you go into function and you find your model menu along with all that. The radio is very straightforward, and I will say that with the LiPo bottom, which is this bottom right here, it is a little more balanced in the hand. I remember when I've tried Friends KOs without this bottom, it was a little bit more top heavy, but now it really feels centralized, and that's something that I really like. Another reason why I got this radio is because for the Nitro racers out there. For those of you that run Nitro, whether it be 10 scale, sedan, 8 scale on-road, all on-road or off-road Nitro, for the long mains, having run the Sanwa radio for as long as I have, my habit on the stand is I don't hold the radio up. As the race goes on, I like to let the radio hang, and that same movement with my wrist causes my wrist to fall asleep. And you lose feel for the throttle, and you know, you have to shake your wrist while you're driving, and it's just, I've had to combat that with the Sanwa radio for a little while now. And one of the big reasons why I wanted to go KO is because it is a lot lighter than the Sanwa. There's no weight up high. It's more where the grip is and down low. So it should stay centralized. I tried friends' radios before getting this one, and when I was driving, I didn't really notice my habit going into play. Having had the Sanwa as long as I did, I tried to fight, you know, the issue and tried to get over it by changing the way I hold the radio, but I always ended up holding my radio like that by the end of the main, and it's just a habit that I have. So I always had, you know, my wrist was falling asleep or something was going down, and to combat that, I ended up deciding to try maybe a lighter radio, also going to a manufacturer that I've always wanted to run for, and just trying something new. So that's really one of the big reasons why I went to KO Propo. So that should settle the beef between people thinking that I left Sanwa because it wasn't a good radio. I think Sanwa is an exceptional radio. It works good. It's very, very good. Speeds, fast, does everything you need, but I just wanted to try something different. So that's really the main reason why I left. Again, you know, very simple and straightforward radio. I'm really looking forward to using it. Awesome feel. The quality when you're holding it, it feels like a solid radio. Everything feels comfortable. So I'm really looking forward to using it and can't wait to get out there. So I'm definitely going to do a follow-up review once I have some time with it. But I really did want to make this video just to sort of show you guys the new radio, talk to you guys a little bit about it, and show it in video. So this was the EXRR Carbon Limited, and this will be the new radio. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope that you guys, you know, could use this video as to help you guys out. For those of you that are looking to buy a KO radio and wanted to know what you get, what I think about it, whatnot. So I went ahead and bought this from KO Propo America's official distributor, which is Absolute Hobbies. They're located in Jersey, out of East Coast, and it's cool. They sent it to me priority mail. Got it in 2 to 3 days. So solid stuff, good support, plenty of options there. All the receivers, really anything you need KO, available at Absolute Hobbies. So just wanted to go ahead and make a little video about this to show you guys the new radio. So thanks everyone for watching, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Take care.